All right, we are back. We are back. You know what? Let me get this paper right. Oh, I'm just gonna throw this out. We're back. Part 2 of the mold. This is like the third time I've tried to do the second part of the mold. So what we're gonna do, as you see, I used duct tape this time. Secured the mold. It did not leak at all, which was great. Duct tape worked out fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this mold apart. I have a knife on me. I'm going to cut the seams and see. I'm going to see if we have a seamless 2-part mold. We can move on to the next part of this project. All right, so now we have a big block of silicone, but luckily this is where the bottom of the figure was, the feet, as you can see. And there's somewhat of a seam line here, so I'm going to work this a little bit and see if I can get some of this overlap to start peeling apart. I did use like some mold release, so hopefully it'll start peeling apart. So let's try that out. All right, as you can see, I got in there. I did have to make a cut. You see that straight line right there? It's a cut. Kind of shadowing over. I'm trying not to, but I'm indoors, so don't have natural light. And as you hear, you hear it coming apart. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart now. All right, so the figure came out. There it is right there. But the only issue is the opening is very small. I'm not able to open that anymore because I feel like I'm gonna damage the mold if I tear it completely apart in two. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna try to create a pour spout like right here. Probably just tear some of this off. And that's that. And then we're gonna see if it, actually gives us some decent cast from this. But yeah, it's my first 2-part mold. It was very confusing and very difficult to do, but I'm very excited to see if I can make some molds. So yeah. So this is the first pull of the mold. Obviously it didn't work. Somewhere there's a leak. So I don't know, man. I don't know what to do about that. Might be time to get the duct tape. Yo, I don't know how. It looks like we might have something in there. We might have something in there. You know what? I'm gonna give this like 10 more minutes, then I'm gonna take this apart because it's still kind of warm. There might be something in there. I can't believe it. It worked. My first successful mold pull. So you guys do the whole 360. First one.